Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Healow how to add doctor. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add a doctor or provider to your Healow app, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Healow app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, tap on your profile icon, usually your initials or photo in the top right corner. Then select manage accounts or link account. Then tap on add new account, and on the select relationship screen, choose the appropriate relationship, example self, child or spouse, and then tap on save. Then enter personal details, and if you have a practice code, select yes, I have a practice code, then enter it and then tap on next. If you don't have practice code, select no and then search for the practice by provider name or location. Then once done, verify the selected practice and tap this is my practice. Then choose a verification method. Then agree to the terms and conditions and set security pin. Then your doctor's account is now linked to your Healow app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.